Today I have a list of 13 work-from-home jobs that are always hiring. When searching for work-from-home jobs, you want to find out which companies are hiring at present and apply. First, you will have to search for legitimate companies and then check if they are hiring. I have a list of companies in different fields like virtual assistant, customer service, sales, transcription which have positions open all year. The first on the list is Apple. This company hires for at-home advisors, which is the most popular position. You will be helping customers who have product-based inquiries and who are looking for support. This position is advertised in many cities within the U.S. A good knowledge of the Apple products, a pleasant demeanor and zeal to help customers are some of the basic requirements for this role. The second on the list is Convergy. This company offers sales, service, and technical support roles. This company has very frequent customer service, technical support and sales-related roles. Most of these roles are phone-based, and you can choose either part-time or full-time shifts. Apart from the general technical requirement of a home office, you need to have at least 1 year of customer service experience for these roles. The third on the list is VIP Kid. If you have a native English accent and some experience teaching children, even homeschooling counts, then you can apply to be an online tutor with this company. You mainly teach conversational English to kids around 4 to 12 years. You need to have a 4-year degree in any subject to apply, and you can earn $14 to $22 per hour. The fourth on the list is NextRep. With NextRep, you will be working for inbound or outbound sales positions. The roles are either for sales or tech support professionals, and you will be working as an independent contractor. There is a background check before getting hired. They accept applications with at least 1 to 2 years of call center experience, but they are flexible. The fifth on the list is Automatic. This company has remote positions which are slightly more towards technical side, and they are almost always hiring. They hire for many different remote positions like Search Wrangler, Affiliate Wrangler, Marketing Designer, etc. After you get through the interview process, you will be on a contract position which then transitions into a full-time position. The sixth on the list is Tutor.com. If you are interested in teaching, then try Tutor.com. They accept independent contractors for tutoring positions most of the time. Once you are done with the online application, you have to take tests in your preferred subjects, and after some more assessments and a background check, you can start your tutoring sessions. Presently, Tutor.com only accepts applications from the US and Canada. The seventh on the list is Worldwide 101. This is a virtual assistant company which hires almost all the year. You will be doing many VA tasks like administrative support, customer service, tech support, writing, bookkeeping and more. There is a minimum 3-year administrative experience needed for you to apply. The hours of working are quite flexible with this company so that you can choose either full-time or part-time options. The eighth on the list is Scribble. This is a proofreading and editing company which hires experienced proofreaders and editors. They hire regularly, so you can apply through their online application form. They do require you to have a background in editing or proofreading with a minimum experience of 3 years. If your application is accepted, you will take a test and start work after you pass. The ninth on the list is Time Etc. This is another virtual assistant company which has positions regularly open for VAs. You will be performing different kind of tasks like administrative tasks, customer service, writing, scheduling appointments, etc. You will have to work a minimum of 5 hours per week. The 10th on the list is ppen. Another company which has search engine evaluation roles being frequently advertised. Ppen also has other remote roles like data annotation, translation, etc. This company also has roles in many countries other than the US. The 11th on the list is Amex. This big credit card giant has frequent openings for their virtual call center. They hire for the customer service and travel agent positions. You will be handling calls from customers regarding the products and inquiries and help them solve issues. These positions require a background experience in customer service and a 4-year degree. There is a background check before you get hired for the above-mentioned positions. The 12th on the list is Softstone. This is another web research company which hires for search engine evaluation positions. The nature of work is similar to other search engine evaluation companies like ppen. You will be filtering the search engine results based on some set guidelines. Once your application is accepted, you need to take a test. After passing the test, you will be hired. The positions open most of the time on their website. The 13th on the list is transcribe.com. Another transcription company hiring transcriptionists and transcription editors. There is no prior experience required for these roles, but if you have a background in transcription, that's a plus. The application process is simple. Once you submit your resume, you will be taking an assessment test, which you need to pass to get the job. The hours are quite flexible for this job. Thanks for visiting my channel today. And if this is your first time here, subscribe and click the bell to be notified of important information about jobs. Click the thumbs up to like this video. Have a nice day.